guys, Twin Peaks Trader. Here again, another live day.
Another red candle on the 15th.
Discord. Bet. See it live on YouTube right now.
Perfect. It worked.
All right, man. Easy tracking.
Yep, easy tracking, boys. Just got the notification we're live.
It worked. Good work. Check back in another 15.
Yep.
I'll be here.
Sit back and relax out here.
All right, buddy.
But
What's good, YouTube? We're waiting for setups. It's your boy, Jamal Bell from Twin Peaks Trading. Show my face since we're not in any setups. Looking fucking nuts right now. What's up, man? Welcome to Twin Peaks Trading. I'm a desk trader here. Well, hey, man. One of the traders here at Twin Peaks Trading. Watching setups right now. Just taking it easy, watching our 15. So as y'all know, our sessions start at 10. It's 10:18. Not in anything yet. I'll show you guys what we're watching here. Here. So we got a downtrend on the 15. This box here is ORB, just for context. A lot of people trading ORB right now. Kind of interesting, man. Actually kind of funny. It's a mechanical setup. Break the box, retest the box, drop. You can tell a lot of people are trading this right now. It could be because it's a lot of retail, to be honest. So yeah, we're going to watch this downtrend till we can get to some point of demand. I think this 920 area is a contention zone, but we really want 5,900 down here. 5,900 alert set down there. This is a Tradeovate broker account from Tradeify, 100K straight to funded. Yeah, man. We're just waiting. Gonna watch this trend just kind of go down, see if we can get a trend flip, and then we're gonna take the flip, kind of like something like this. We can get a like a flip, like something like this, and some strong candles, and we can just ride it back up. Other than that, it is a Fed day. It is NVIDIA earnings this afternoon, so it's a good day to take it slow. To be honest, it could be some indecision. This could be the complete range of the day, 54 to 16. This could be it. And you just have to be cool with that. We do have a key level in play. This purple line is yesterday's high, key level 59.41, some change, I believe. So yeah, man. Key level first, or pray before work first. They I'm sure did that. Key level first. 4 hour gave a change of move with some supply off of this key level. So it's selling right now. As the 4 hour said it probably would. And yeah. I think the 4 hour low is 23. I might have just checked it. So this candle really could be it. This could be it. If it is, we're gonna take it with nuts. You know, take it with nuts. As far as risk, we traded 500 per trade, going for 2 to 1s, 1K. Yesterday we hit like 900, so it's good. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to make perfect cookies here. They're not always gonna be perfect. We don't plant for perfection. Just think like the farmer. We just plant. We get to it. We just get to it, man. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys post up on the order book. Seems like a good place to watch if I get in anything. We'll be entering with 8 lots when we get the trade. 8 lots, 13 points risk, $500. All right, I'll be here. Thanks, guys.
Had some limits set for some longs.
Yeah, where you got your limits at?
I had a limit on. Let me see, what's this candle right here? 59.27, and then my stop loss was 59.18.50.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. You're looking at the same thing. Turn around here. Before watching the 15 for a green candle before 59.18. We're looking to put our stop under there. That London level.
Yeah. It could still want to go a little lower to go higher though, but there's signals here, so all you can do is take it and manage risk.
Yeah, there's definitely signals. It's a 4 hour. Price is standing on a 4 hour gap, and I think it's an hour gap going on too.
Because that daily manipulation earlier in the day from Asia, it didn't hold. We just ran over that. So
wow.
And then we had some manipulation in London too. So I mean, I'm just trying to. The London should hold to go higher. We'll see.
Cool. Yeah, price just went into an hour gap again. Alright, cool. But yeah, we're just watching this 15. Look like it might be some kind of change of state here. Trying to really wait for a bullish engulfing candle to hop on it though. I know once we get back over 41, it's gonna be straight gas. So.
Yeah.
For sure. We just posted up watching this shit.
Yeah, I'm on my way back to the crib. I just set limits from way earlier last night when I seen it. Or this morning, my bad. Not last night.
Alright, cool. So it just it just got you in, huh? This last candle? You said you was at 27?
Yeah. Right. I should be in now. I can't see it, but I'm about to get to the crib to manage some risk.
Yeah, it just popped you in. It's looking good though. This is the area I want to get in. I'm just waiting for a green candle on the 15.
Yeah.
This is definitely the area. This is probably gonna be this candle can hold up. It's probably gonna be the first green.
Yeah, if it can hold up.
Yeah.
Just the area though, it's gonna turn around here. By the time before that 18, I believe.
Because we already have both. There's no red folder, but we had a little orange and yellow. I did see that. Those are already both done for.
Alright, good. Good deal, man. Alright, we're looking at the same thing today at least. That's great.
Yeah, great. Always a good thing.
Always a good sign.
No, yesterday I was supposed to go long too. Sometimes I get tripped up. Like, I know where my point of interest is, but I be taking the move to that and be forgetting like what I was like my original plan, bro.
Yeah.
That's one mistake I gotta make.
Yes, we dealt with that too. Sometimes the here to there trades. That's what we call them. Like
we call them here to there trades.
Because I be in front of the thing, just waiting on my limit. Then I see a signal. It's like, okay, this is the move towards my limit. So let me just do that.
Yeah, sometimes that's not bad. Even with our longs yesterday, for real, based off our 4 hour edge, it was screaming short. But for real, price was at the demand zone, so we took the trade from demand to the area where we would short, and it ended up popping out that short. But it was all kind of contextually because the 4 hour did slam red, but it slammed right into demand. So sometimes they work, sometimes they like. I understand why you would take that. That's what I'm trying to say. You know what I mean? It's not a bad idea to take the trade, the here to there trade. It's not a bad idea. But it can trip you up sometimes though.
Yeah, because the main thing that I want to, because when I see that here to there trade, even like today, we had a short off 41 down to the 20. Like, that's a here to there trade, but what's the overall trend of the market, like on the week? right? It's gonna be the long. So I'm gonna just go with the long. I'm gonna take that.
Yeah. So like, if you don't know which one to take, then of course the great rule of thumb is to go with the overall trend. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
that's
that,
usually where you can put most of your risk on. You know what I
yeah.
mean?
So that might actually,
Because even yesterday, that's what kind of saved me. Because literally, our 4 hour was screaming short off that level, but we had the Nasdaq 4 hour was already getting crushed, and I know the overall trend is long, so I'm like, shit, going into demand, just wait and see if it's gonna go long.
yeah.
But yeah, this it right there. This gonna be the trade of the day right here. Just wait literally for this green signal. I'm be right there with you.
Yeah, be right there with you, man.
They kind of merged. It's that shit is weird. They kind of merged Monday and Tuesday into one daily candle. Kind of, it seems like.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah.
They called Monday a settlement day, so they have fucking Monday and Tuesday with the same. Well, it was crazy. I seen it yesterday. It's mad confusing.
Yeah, that kind of with the power of 3. That should be shifting shit a lot, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, move shit a
Yeah,
lot.
but that's what makes these holiday weeks like just want.
Yeah, same thing you said last week, Max. It take out one of the days and it fuck up the whole flow of the auction. You know what I mean? So that's one thing.
Same
That's
thing
one
we
thing I
did
came
last
into the week on, just kind of cautious on. Like holiday week, usually will be a kind of stressful week for us, and I didn't know why. But you cleared that up for me. It's like you take out one of them days, it fuck up the whole power of 3. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And there's so many traders looking at that it just changed the flow of the market for the whole week. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Exactly.
So that's why I'm like optimistic with caution this week.
Mm-hmm.
I'm optimistic in
That's
a
how I
way.
was thinking. It's just to possibly go lower because I'm like, there's also interest at the bottom of this, but the signal is saying here right now. So
Yeah, the signals are saying here. They're saying here for right now.
Yeah, 4 hours standing on business. If it don't break 20, then if it don't hold 20, then it will go to 5,900. But based off the 4 hour, this is the zone.
Yeah, that 20 is the top of a 4 hour gap. And the hour's holding a gap from kind of that hasn't been checked yet. The closest gap on the hour got checked just now with this red candle. So I'm going back to this other gap right here.
Yeah.
And it's like literally it's standing on it. It checked the gap I'm looking at now. Yeah, go ahead, Max. Go ahead.
No, I was gonna say we had divergence, and then hold on, let me see where that's at. Hold on.
Bro, Nasdaq doing it too. Nasdaq standing on a 4 hour gap.
Yeah, this gonna be it. It's gonna be the zone.
Yeah, we had divergence in that. Yeah, we had divergence in that 4 hour gap.
Yep.
And then also, when you drop down to the 15-minute, which is correlated with the 4 hour, it gave you a bullish market structure shift, which is basically a change of move to the upside.
Okay.
So we're playing the retest, basically.
Yeah, playing the retest of the gap, basically. For real, because it had this range. It had this range on even I'm looking at it on the hour. There's probably less candles on the 4. Let me go to the 4. It had this upper range on the 4. That last candle that spiked out of this range, and then for real, so that was a break of structure, and then it came back and it's retesting the gap. Then you would go long. That's literally what Andre does like every fucking day. Literally, this consolidation right here, break of structure with the pop at the top, correlating a 4 hour, 1 hour gap around 9, and then boom. Appreciate those papers you slipped in the package, brother.
Let's for your big dog. Gotta make sure the trade is taken care of, baby.
Yes, sir. We're 20 minutes into the live on YouTube. No trades taken. Some great analysis going.
I'm setting up the backlog video here now. Starting her up, boys.
Dang, I forgot how many contracts I put at that limit. I think what was it, like 2, 3? Trying to do some math.
Gotta do some math.
That's terrible. God damn. Started the video with fucking. That's crazy. Let me end that. Fuck.
What happened?
Nah, starting up the YouTube and ended it. Started it with a fucking F on.
Oh yeah.
Motherfucking Wednesday. Just give me a green candle.
That boy Patrick is fucking watching his live stream. Anything, he's fucking entertaining, bro. He's the most entertaining one for trading. I'm not gonna lie.
No, he really is. He really is. Can't lie.
Someone in his chat said something was gay. He was like, "What? You're gay." He started going off of that. And I started crying, bro.
Oh my god.
Yeah, by open, that boy Patrick is definitely a whole Adderall in and like 2 cups of coffee. Nigga is ready, and he be blacking out. You ever seen him go off on the chat, boss? That shit be so funny, bro. One time I was watching him.
He goes off. He going off on that chat, dog.
Bro, literally talks to them like dog shit, boss. Literally. One day, the chat was calling out short, and he went long, and then the long ended up working. He's like, "Where the fuck are you shorters at? Where are you at?" He's talking cold shit. I'm like, damn, bro.
But same shit. You said go long. Then he was like, "For you guys' info, you guys are coming to watch me. Don't be taking a fucking cat."
Bro, what that nigga Patrick did to Danny Trades was diabolical, bro. For real. Like,
yeah, he crushed him. I could just tell his whole spirits, bro.
Bro, his whole spirits rock, bro. Like, go to his page and watch the video where he cried. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That shit was tough.
You talking about Danny?
Danny, yeah. Danny just came out with a video just exposing
Still ain't go see it. I gotta go check on that, man.
He's just talking about his divorce. For real, he got deep in fucking the alcohol, gained all his weight back. He's fat as fuck. Lost his wife already. They was married for like a couple months. Like, he's down bad, bro.
Damn, boy, he hit a rough patch.
Yeah, he was so emotionally.
He'll be back.
Yeah, he back now. He back live trading now, for real. But he was so emotionally like connected to the money from what was going on in his personal life that he couldn't live trade his own account. Like, he couldn't trade his own account live because the emotions. Like, he said he would break down. You know what I'm saying?
Damn. Yeah. So that's why he ended up going to demo, because he got too attached to the money.
Yeah, and shit, he was doing it for a minute, and then Patrick called him out, was talking that shit, and then his CEO at
the
white boy at the prop firm was like, "Man, just shut him up, bro. Show him the account." And then for real, Danny was like, "Damn, it's over."
He said, "Well, it's over, boys."
It's over, boys. He still tried to do it, bro, and then fucking Patrick caught that shit, bro.
Yeah, caught that little. It was like a little 0.5 second fucking Adobe flip up. Like,
yeah, bro.
Flipping. Oh, that boy slipping.
Yeah, the market fucking.
It just so funny.
You should have just took a break instead of going to demo, bro.
Yeah, just take a break. Bro, he didn't accept like his position, bro. Like, if he would have just accepted, like, he's not like the end. Like, he just wanted, like, he just could have faded back and just worked on the company for a minute, bro. He literally was at the height. I mean, bro, like, he made $40K live on Top Step TV. For real, like.
Yeah, he did, bro. That's crazy. That's like years ago.
Yeah, bro. Literally, but he admitted he was full port every single trade. Every single trade he took, he was full port in his account. No risk management.
all the little pieces. This shit's beautiful trend right now. Right into the left.
Yeah, strong trend right now.
Yeah, this trend about to knock my ass out. What it's about to do.
You need to slide. You probably just need to slide your stop down $1 more, bro.
Literally, bro.
Literally, you should be straight. Get it under that 1850 low. Oh, you under it already?
Yeah, you under it already. What was Asia? Yeah. What was Asia low? Anybody?
What was what about
Asia low? I got 18.
Asia low is
1850.
I got 20. I got 59.25 for Asia low.
Damn,
London low, I got 1850.
That shit be odd, bro.
Yeah, how you got that?
Oh nah, it's flipped. It's flipped. My bad. Cause I ain't got text on it. I got colors, bro. My bad. It's London low down.
That's another note to take, bro. That's another note. Whenever Asia's never supposed to have manipulation. So the fact that it had that, I should have knew the market was in some weird stuff. In Q1, there's never manipulation in Q1.
Yeah, that shit, this is gonna hit though. Look at that demand off that level. That shit hit 1925 and popped back already 6 points. Yeah, this gonna be our area right here. And you just show green, you bastard.
For real.
Look at that candle.
I'm really excited when it gets back over 41.
Yeah, I'm really excited then, but the area's 20 and we can get it down here.
I'm gonna take it, yeah. I'm just saying if we in it already, and then we get excited.
Yeah. The next, how much? It's got 2 minutes. Next candle gonna be green probably 11 o'clock. That shit at 1925. Now that shit, then it went back to your entry.
Yeah.
And it's like the 27.
Yeah, you should be good, Max.
Nah, you good, nigga. Get that shit.
I know the 5 minute gotta look crazy.
5 minute. Yeah, the 5 looking like.
And if this works right here, that tells me that I need to figure out whenever I enter a trade, which asset is the weaker one to the upside. Because that means that's what's going to sweep it most of the time, bro.
Yeah,
because that means if this works, that means there is divergence somewhere that just happened.
Yeah, it looks like
on the 90 minute. You could probably see it on the 5 or 15 minute.
Even just looking at the 4 guys, YM slipped that 4-hour low from 10 a.m. ES slipped that 4-hour low from 10 a.m. But the NASDAQ is holding it like a fucking champ. NASDAQ is cup and handling this fucking 4-hour low like a dog right now.
Yeah, because all they 15 minutes look the same. But that is the one thing that's the 4-hour is.
The 4-hour low on the NASDAQ is holding.
Yeah.
4-hour low on the ES and YM already got flipped. So the NASDAQ holding in this zone is should be all the bullish context for me. We'll see.
Can anybody check the block real quick? Check the Mag 7. Or we'll check it, but
yeah. Looking a little red.
And the bonds are
Google. It was red down 0.9. It's just slight red. Microsoft down 0.1. Yeah, this shit is like slight red, slight green. Mixed bag on the mag, but slight red, slight green. Bonds are at 4.8. Good, 4.5.
DJT shares fall 10% as Trump media says it's raising $2.5 billion to buy Bitcoins. Wow.
Yeah, Bitcoin is turning into the hedge that everyone thought it was.
Yeah, because somebody's making it that way. The U.S. government.
Nah, that trade is happening because it's that Tokyo trade, boss.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
that yen arbitrage shit.
Oh, I did see
Real
some news
good.
about that, but I didn't click the video.
Yeah, that's why crypto ran over the weekend, because the yen, the yen, Tokyo is the biggest buyer of U.S. debt, and that arbitrage, they usually have an arbitrage trade because Japan's interest rate is so low, you can borrow yen in Japan and buy assets in the U.S. And it's like the biggest global money glitch that niggas been doing. It's the yen carry trade.
Wow.
So that yen carry trade is getting killed right now because they just had to raise their interest rates. So that's making it where fucking the debt that they can't keep buying the debt like they've been buying from the U.S. They can't keep putting money in the treasuries to make their money because they can't print money like they were doing with the interest rate.
Yeah.
So that the adverse, their hedge is literally Bitcoin. Their hedge on that play is literally Bitcoin.
Wow.
Yeah.
Damn,
that's why Bitcoin is about to touch all-time highs.
That's some research.
Because it's the hedge for the yen carry trade.
Yeah.
And the yen carry trade is a global money glitch.
That's some research right there.
Yeah, I seen it yesterday.
It's nice.
These niggas literally getting the yen all through 2020. That's why Japan kept their interest rates low through that whole time. Niggas was going to borrow Tokyo money at little to none interest rate, and then buy the U.S. stock during COVID at a low, then run it up through the money glitch. Niggas literally boom, boom, boom. Been doing it for years. Global money glitch.
Wow.
So the hedge for even like people are buying in Tokyo, people are buying crypto ETF to hedge against the play, hedge against that play falling apart.
Yeah.
Yeah, son.
All right.
That's why fucking Bitcoin. Bitcoin, crypto.
Definitely gives me a little more understanding there.
Yeah. Yeah, because that video was good because Andre dropped that video to let me know why Tokyo is so damn important and what's going on with. Could you remember last year's catalyst was the Bank of Japan fallout? You remember that?
Yep.
That was the first sign of the carry trade unfolding.
Yeah, and that shit was a big deal.
And that was huge. Yeah, almost crashed the Nikkei. You remember that shit?
Yeah, I remember that shit. Crazy night of trading.
Yeah, crazy night of trading. Yeah, so all that was the yen carry trade getting obliterated. Or I've been getting fucking flipped, boy.
Yeah, 4 hour gets rangy, and then it's just rangy.
Yeah, because it's literally like forgot what I was asking, but it's use the 4 hour as a map for the daily. So you looking at, like, if you look at it that way, it's like this green candle. You got a green candle that went right into supply. You know what I'm saying? So your first thought is not that it's a COM candle. Your first thought is that we got a green candle going right into supply. So the first thing to do is probably short it.
Yeah. And that's why we got paid.
Same thing with yesterday. Yeah. Red candle going into demand first. Your first play is probably to buy it.
Yeah. Right. If you would have shorted OR, you would have been break even by now. For real.
Yeah. Break even out by 20. Yeah, 20 points both ways.
Yeah. Not a short I was
break
willing
a 40,
to take.
Take it to 60. Break a 40, take it to 20.
Yeah, exactly. It did both ways. Crazy. Did both trades. Yeah, it's looking for buyers though, for sure. Just the way it spiked out that top. And the floor. Where is the liquid? Where's the liquid? Yeah, I'm chilling, man. 10 minutes to this close. Alright, cool, I'll be back.
That easy work right here, bro. Love it.
Definitely. I'll be right back. Next candle close in 10 minutes.
All right, bet. I'm here. Nah, no red folder.
Alright, I'm here.
Red headlines.
Alright, I'm here. That, I'm here.
I'm here.
Alright, market's still going lower here, guys. Market's still going lower. No trades yet. Trades yet, man. About 40 minutes into session. Just gonna wait. See something. 4 hour. Definitely got flipped, so. Got a little view up, chilling away like 34. So if we do get a turnaround, it's gonna be the first targets. First targets, or especially the further it goes away from it. Talking about good R's. Like the 38.20. This is a strong looking candle. Just looking at like if it actually is gonna flip this 15 again, it'll be a hell of a wick off the top. So I don't think it's gonna leave that kind of footprint. But I'm not here to guess. Got 13 minutes until the next 15-minute close. I'm sitting on my hands. Sitting on my hands, man. This might be the one, chat. I'm gonna say the one. Look at this candle. London low, break. And look at that candle, bro. Big body, bullish engulfing. Still kind of early. It's only 5 minutes in. But look at the 5, though. That another 5 looking stupid. Another 5 looking stupid. Yeah, look at the 5. It's breaking that trend. I need to get over this. 26. Look at the 5 on that. Look at that 5 minute, man. It's about to close in 8 seconds. Nasty. Crazy candle on the 5.
Yeah, I'm watching the 15.
Yeah, keep watching. Keep watching. We still got more time. Just peeping that.
All right, yeah, that's our first confirmation. That bullish candle right there on the 5. Wait for the 15 close. Get that trigger ready for 8 and 13.
All right, I'm ready. Let's go.
I go with
All right, go.
10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes. All right, executing in 10 minutes, boys. Get your triggers ready. Get your triggers ready. This is not financial advice. We're watching longs, 59.20 longs. Getting a bullish engulfing candle. Looking good. And there it goes, boys. The 15 just sold again. That's why you don't take 5-minute signals. Treachery. Looking like it's gonna be an alert kind of day, man.
Partner.
Yo.
Yo. What you think about this candle?
Looks like shit.
Yeah, looking at my candle chart, it's a long lower shadow candle. It is bullish. Watching see if price is gonna close over 20, then I'll probably still take it 8 and 13.
All right, that sounds good to me.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Got to close nicely over 20 though, like 20 and some change. Not right at 20, 20 still up. And it hit the highest 25.75, so really that's the top of the supply range. It's between 20 and 26. So. Might have just rejected this zone.
Yeah, I'm still confident in the buy because that 5 minute, usually when that 5 minute comes strong, it usually gets wiped down. And then this 15 will still close kind of bullish. So we'll see. I like it.
All right, it's a bullish candle, so I'm gonna let if it close over 20, then we'll go ahead and take it.
All right.
Take it and call it a day, and that'll be good. Be 1,200 back to the highest in price.
Yeah, the R&R is there, so.
Yeah, just watch that closing price. Need a closing price over 20. If it ain't 20, we'll wait for another candle.
1 minute. 1 minute.
1 minute, boys. 1 minute. Seconds, still under 20.
Yeah.
Shout out to 15.
Yeah, for the patience, bro. Yeah.
Look at that.
Bonds catching the bid, China selling off. Yeah, still good.
500. All right, cool. Just keep it up. I got the YouTube going.
All right, cool. I got it up. Be back at 11:30.
All right, partner. I got the charts on me. Pardon. Yo. Partner.
On the way. My bad. I'm here. Going on?
Watch this candle close over 20.
Alright, cool. 1 minute.
1 minute 30. 20 and some change. Forty seconds under 20. In seconds, under 20.
You need at least over 2050.
Yeah, we need at least over 2050. We're playing 20. I can't buy it under 20.
All right.
Yeah.
Another 15.
All right. Another 15.
All right, I'm here.
All right, good work, buddy.
Good work. Still not in, guys. Not doing any anticipating. Candle close under 20. Not taking shit. Save my money. What's for me, I will not miss. Who's talking right now? That's the key headline of the day. It was a short FOI, but $500 million ain't enough. Did he really say that? And they be skewing shit. I doubt Elon actually said that. I think a bill can be big or it could be beautiful, but I don't know if it could be both. Smart Alec. No trades right now. Watching news, watching candles, man. About hour and a half into session. Got about an hour left of work. Markets very well could be awaiting NVIDIA earnings, which looks like it probably is, even though there was a short. Off the orb this morning, there was a short, but short off a key level too. Key level, yesterday's high right here. But yeah, I snubbed that. Just because shorts and fucking uptrend market can get violent. Especially when the only context is OR. Love that somebody just pop back in the dissy. Hey, your mic's on, brother. Bunch of noise.
Shit. $5.
$5.
$5.
Yeah, low ticker's hot, bro. Low ticker's hot. They talking shit about Powell. Can't force the Fed to do nothing, man. They print the money. They do what the fuck they want. Yeah, this shit's going to 5,900. Next alert. VIX on the high. VIX still not over 20. It's all good. Where the bonds at? Where the bonds at, man? See where the bonds is at right quick. 10-year. 4.9. Bonds over 4.5. No good. No good for nobody. Bond auction at 1 today, so definitely not trading after 12. The call of the day here at noon. Roll a piece of therapy here. Cool and cooler, man. Should have joined the Discord. We live trade in there every day. A little more insight, a little better view of the charts. I got to figure out how I'm going to do this live shit on YouTube, but we're just doing it right now. We're just doing it. Yeah, man, these candles are failing, bro. Downtrend is intact. Like, bro, the short would have paid really good this morning. Really good. New low one. New low on the S&P. Go to lower. That's it, bro. The big SPX is about to go under 59. I'll let you know. Dead by the day said, you reach, I teach. Drop the poll in the chat. Let me see how y'all doing today, man. Are you green or are you red on the day? If you're flat, then, I would consider that green. In these markets, right? For sure, only giving this like 20 more minutes, bro. Not gonna lie. It's just a good day to have with no trade, to be honest. The minutes that are coming out at 2, this is minutes from last, like reiterated minutes, but you never know, some shit could change. That's why everybody's waiting. See, this candle looks a little better because it went red first. Like red before green, green before red type shit. This candle might actually be good. It's got about 5 minutes left on it. Yeah, we're gonna want to buy this candle. This is what I like to see, bro. This is kind of my move, I ain't gonna lie. Like with these, that consolidation on the 15 in between Asia and London low. Right now we're under London low, but just that, like, you see how it's just making a little cut 5? Like, I'm taking that all day. Like, literally. And you can see it kind of here, kind of in this area right here. Consolidation, and then just take off. That's kind of what I'm kind of expecting to see. Yeah. You hear me? Got some traders in here. This last candle made a low at like 14, I think. 13. Let's check the crosshair. The crosshair, 1350. Oh, okay. Volume is up. Like, I need it over this volume clean. Like, you can stretch this out, then you can probably get the numbers. Yeah. A lot of the volume's chilling right here. It's building up down here, though. Big, like, somebody, big volume just stepped in. Down there, it's matching this volume. Nice little histogram. You want to see a smooth slope. Rise up and then back down. Then you can assume. So you got another company volume at 25. So this shit's bad work. I ain't gonna lie. And you got clips up here. Like it's definitely got in on the short, but then it's all just thin up here. So over 41, you're gonna get a crazy breakout. We'll see. But you gotta get through all this shit first. We're not guessing now. Wait and see. I don't do any anticipating. Mark got to tell me what to do. Once you say it, and I'll implement my system. Until then, shit, I'm not doing nothing. Hope everybody's having a good work day out there. Remember, be kind to yourself and try new things. Don't get stuck in one way or the other. Be nimble and open to change. Everything's always changing. Oh, Julian's in a Google Play. I don't know what this is. I'm in a Google Play. It's not a mover. Another disappointing candle, guys. I'm getting into the thick of it, man. I'm getting into the thick of it. It's almost lunch. I just had lunch. But the boys on the street, better believe they're taking a good 2-hour lunch. Especially with the feds at 2 and the bond market at 1. It's nothing you want to be a part of. Bigger money coming in, boys. Not even bigger money coming in. Probably just small money sitting on the sidelines. Retail has been in control of this whole rally. $8 billion in market flow straight from retail since last Monday. So. Another short candle, but like I said, this is making a cup, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna stick around for this. I'm not gonna close up till 12:30, guys. I was looking at 12, but I want to see. The bars. Julian's got the best views in this videos. Cancel my cleaning lady, my bad, guys. It's just ridiculous. No time for the cleaning lady right now. Gotta save that cho. Put it in the market. Put it in the market. For anybody that has extra cash, man, you need to be getting in the market, bro. I don't know your finances, but I know you got $10 a week to put in this shit. If you're not doing that, fucked. I'm not gonna lie. AI is gonna do a sweep in the next 5 years, and they giving people all the opportunity to get up. It wasn't a good. All right, man. Watching the 15-minute here. It's kind of doing my little. I like the little consolidation it's doing right here. If we get a break above 20, I would love it. But if it don't happen before 12:30, I'm out. I'll be out for sure. But yeah, we're just gonna sit and watch. It's just like fishing, boys. We're just sitting and waiting. Sitting and waiting. Been here 90 minutes now, hour and a half live. But got here at 10. Got up at 7. Need to be getting up earlier. Yeah, man, this volume stacking up down here. Like, if it can form a perfect histogram, price is gonna flow off of this level. So 20 is the watch level for sure. 20 is the watch. 20 is the watch. Bro, I really wanna. I got a little say over 26, but higher time frame is not looking good though. It's looking. Well, it did touch a point it needed to touch, so maybe. You can tell it's a Fed day. Look at the 4 hours spiked out of both sides. Spiked. It's a little zone it created last night. Spiked out this morning. Spiked out just now at lunch. Bro, really want to go touch that. View up. I don't like view up, but I got it. Because people trade it. Anyways, if it touched this, I mean, it could be, but it's just gonna run out of gas, bro. It's not enough interest. It's not enough interest today. Like I said, could have took short off these highs. It was a big trade today off of key level. Just didn't take it. Didn't take it. Not too wound up on shorts and bullish markets. More so sideways on the highers too. So, but the ORB did give. This is a 9:30, 15-minute candle. It broke it at 9:45. Retested it at 10. Perfect. Could have got in. You could have shorted. What is that? 36 all the way to 14. Yeah. Easy 4-figure trade. Easy. I mean, on the light end, risking 500, that was easy. But like I said, it was inverse to the current trend. The 4-hour close with supply, so you could tell it was about to sell off, but it was still a green candle. I'm not playing against that flow. Not a. It's just contextual. I'm still not totally like convinced that we won't have a trade though, just because I had a 15 is setting up. We've been in this area for like an hour, so I have to do a 7 and 15 entry, depending on when we get our candle that we like. But volume's at about 500K. It's kind of light too. Definitely getting into some kind of low volume trading summer shit, which is cool. We are prepared. Oh yeah, there we go. See, this closes green. I'm gonna love this. If this closes green over 20, I'm gonna love this. This is my pattern on the 15, bro. Yeah, still got some time though. 6 minutes to the close. 6 minutes to the close, man. I hate to. I don't really care, but I don't really like to enter at 12. But it's all good. See what it do. Don't know yet, but we might have something. Don't know yet, but it's looking like it, man. Price. See what it does up here. It's kind of. It's not too early in the candle. Got a 5 minute about to close. Let's check it out. Yep. That's what I want to see on the 5. View up, cross, double bottom, boop, parallel. Yeah, so if we can keep this up, we actually might be able to take it back up here. So let's see. Let's see what it do. Could be another banger day, guys. Made 1K yesterday. Let's see if we can run it back. Traded in my Tradeify straight to funded account, 100K account. If you haven't been watching the videos, we're trading Tradeify. And got some Top Step combines going. Some options going. We're diversified.
Got a promising candle here, eh?
Yeah, it's showing some promise here, man. Showing some promise.
See it.
Getting a little late in the day, but definitely my little 15 sideways setup. I don't have a name for it yet. It's definitely doing it.
Yeah, doing your cup. Cup there.
Yeah, doing a little cup here and the 5 minute. It's right on this little VWAP shit, so.
And we did it over 20. Them niggas at 20 is selling.
Yeah, 20 is selling it for sure. So, for real, like I said, it's getting deep in the day too. So, don't get too horned up. But that was looking good until just now.
just
now, literally, that just got washed for 4 to 5 points. Yeah.
Look at that hour, bro. The hour's about to close. It's a nice little morning star. Going into the 20 area.
Yeah, it just shoved into a 1 hour fair value gap too. It has promise, bro, but damn. I think we're looking at I'm being my optimistic stuff saying it's looking promising. Also, it's saying that you're getting the remnants of a Fed day here. Had that 4 hour zone. That clean 4 hour zone, three black crows and then that green to spike out the top and then come back to spike out the bottom of the zone. Bro, it's really air horning on the 4 hours. So
yeah, on the hour too.
Yeah, CNBC just keeps reporting unch markets because waiting on Nvidia. People really waiting on Nvidia.
All right, cool. It makes sense.
Yeah, stocks take lowers as traders are waiting Nvidia earnings. These headlines are coming out like at least once an hour. Something awaiting Nvidia earnings. They've already came out like 3 times today.
All right, cool. It's a good fight there. I didn't say anything. What's going to be your time stop here? 12:30 or earlier?
I was seeing my little pattern on the 15, so I was giving it to 12:30.
Okay, I agree.
Before that though, I was thinking probably not. You just got so much volume ahead of you. You can see it on the histogram. I mean, you got chunk of volume at 20 to 21. Then you got a cliff at 25. Then you got a cliff at 30. You got a cliff at 35. You got a cliff at 40, and then it's really smooth volume to cruise through over 41, like we was assuming. So, and it was a pretty long drop from that high to right here, so we could be looking at a drop consolidation. Just interest kind of leaves, waiting on the Fed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So. That's what it's looking like.
Yeah, that's what it's looking like.
That was looking promising.
Yeah, that was looking promising, bro. For real. That's why you just don't guess anything. For real, like literally.
For real, bro. I would have guessed twice and would have
like literally one time I looked at getting in on the 5 minute, the next candle, completely watched it. Even this time, the 5 minute was looking promising. I think it closed right at this little VWAP that I got on the live.
Even that 15, bro, that 15 on that green candle on the 15 showing that supply. Watch that shit.
Yeah, watched it. Oh. And then all the last 4 candles closed under this London low. So you're looking at 20 supply right now.
Yeah, it's looking like a bear claw of 20.
Yeah. It's my little pattern, but the other way.
Really. Yeah.
It's a bear claw.
Short today.
Yeah, we're short today.
59.40 shorts ate today.
Yeah, they ate today. And it was that OR break. For even like I was just telling Chad, it's like a key level trade did happen today. So I can't be mad if I just don't take nothing.
Yeah.
That, you had a key level trade at 10 o'clock. Just short.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. We went short off of OR. That was the trade there.
Yeah, that was it. I'll be honest and say that was definitely. I mean, now you see that it went to 12. I mean, shit gave 2 to 1, damn near. Especially for us, it gave 26 points for us.
Yeah, that was enough.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and these candles, they're bearish as fuck. They're opening up green, popping hard, and then getting sold.
Getting sold hard.
Yeah, right at the end of the candle, too. That's super bearish. Last 3 minutes of the candle, people deciding, we selling. Boom, boom, boom. Hit that bitch. Yeah, so it's 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, man. We've been tracking good.
Mm-hmm.
Got our shit. We ain't get a green candle until 11:15. And then it got washed.
Until 11:15, and that bitch got washed for it closed as a supply candle under that 20. That's why price action is the best indicator.
Yeah.
Because I would have took that move just straight off the candle, but price action indicated we're under the level that I'm trying to buy.
Yeah. That's why even the lines like Asia London low, how just the structure of that zone between the Asia London low, it's just wicks on the 15 now. You know what I mean? And body candles close all under that level, so that's pure price action. You can tell, and then you look at the histogram and the way the volume's stacked up and it keeps getting rejected at this 20 level, it's a cliff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's like, you can tell all price action indicators telling you you're selling 59.20. It's continuing from 40. And then, but hey, I'll give it 2 more candles, bro. For real, it just makes it's gone. For even now, that's why I was saying 12, because it's like, all right, cool, you're going to enter. How long you going to give it? If Fed come out at 2, bond auction at 1, then, you know what I mean? So,
yeah, bro.
So what you're really looking at, you know what I'm saying? That's why we got the time. That's why we got the time stop, to be honest.
Yeah. We're getting into them sticky hours, man. Fucking hell.
Yeah, because
even... That's going to be a decision.
Yeah, even like I was just saying on YouTube, it's like, like, Wall Street's definitely going to lunch, and they're not going to be back until the Feds are done. I don't know if that means anything to anybody, but it's going to be some lunchtime shit. But at the same time, I would love to see a strong candle on the 15th.
It's a nice bullish engulfing candle of this entire range. That'll be, like, excellent. Like this candle right here, just closed nice over 20.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, it's just too early in the candle for this shit to be running like this again.
Yeah. The same thing it's been doing. Literally just faking niggas up.
Fading.
YM went straight to his 50% line of yesterday, which is a 4-hour zone, 42, 200 area.
Yeah.
Bouncing back now. Fucking NQ ain't even break his 4-hour low. And pulling back up now.
Yeah, NQ stays sturdy. 15 is doing my little dance on the NQ.
Take a look.
But it's under SMAs.
Yeah, it's under SMAs. For us, the same thing on the NQ that we're looking at. They got a strong candle to close back over yesterday's high before you take a.
Yeah.
YM got a green. That long shadow candle on his 15. I was having a bullish candle. Everything's doing a little bullish dance right now. Yeah, green candle over 20 for 12.30. I'll take it. 2.4 to 1 opportunity. Literally, you'll put it on with the 8 and 13. Just let it do it. Let it do its thing. Get to the highs. Make it 1,200. Not even blink.
Alright, yeah, I don't love that.
It's like, man. Yeah. I did take the buy in the combine off of that first 15-minute candle. It was in drawdown, damn near $200. Now it's back to entry. 8 contracts, 13 points, making 13.40 at today's high.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Damn. It's a nice little R&R here. It's the time.
Yeah, it's just the time.
It's getting in the Pooh Shiesty hours. Niggas turn off the lights, start running pockets.
I know, for real. You can't avoid that, bro. Same thing happens every day.
That shit.
Yeah. Same thing.
Well, 15, that Peasy song started coming on.
For real. Start hearing it in the background. For real.
God.
Yeah.
That ding.
Damn it. Yeah, I'm not overly on it. I'm not overly hyped on it just because of the time. I hate to be that way, but it's nothing good. Nothing good happens after 12 o'clock, like the old people say.
If Andre's not stopped out by now, he'll just be getting into this YM situation. His session ends at 11, so he probably missed that flight.
Yeah, if his session ends at 11 and he made money yesterday, he's gone.
Let me go see.
For real, that's the thing you really got to consider. It's like...
This is what it's going to determine here. Feel like 1K, I'm going to be trying to put it to account. Two hours to go. When did he get in? I think he's smart.
He starts at 9, so he probably started hitting them gaps early. Or unless he shorted. If he shorted, then yeah, he's in and out already.
He was in a long. He took a 1-to-1.
Yeah. Yeah, if you took a 1-to-1, that could have been anywhere.
Yeah, that nigga's so good.
Yeah, he's so good.
He took a light trade in his his live account hit the 20K.
Yeah.
So now he's just going for the 1-to-1s right now, the 1,000. It's like that shit like new game right now.
Yeah, new game. I feel him.
Yeah, bro.
New base.
It's like, yeah, you look up and in your trading account, it's enough rent for the years.
It's like,
Take it
yeah,
real slow.
take a step back. Yeah, for real. No
Slow it
cap.
down a little bit, boys. For me. Yeah, this is our opportunity for the day. It's gonna be in session, gonna be on the level. Get this candle closed over 20, man. That shit on. That's why the dog.
Alright. Sounds like a plan.
This the most thing I'm excited about. It's like, yeah, waiting on these levels, waiting on it to execute. It's like, yeah, we gonna get one of these a day. Like, yeah.
Yeah, for real.
Fuck all that. Yeah, fuck all the other shit that's going on. This is our one shot today.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I
And
hear
it's we're in session. You feel me? So close back over 20, put that shit on.
Yeah, you're right. I can't be picky. I'm choosy.
Yeah, can't get picky, choosy. We got all the rules. If we within the rules, shit, man, put that bitch on again. 59.20, 8 and 13, 4, 12, 30. Let's hold that bitch to the highs, bro. Man, that's the deal.
Yeah.
They smack, that's another $1,000 day check.
Yeah, you're right.
You'd rather have that on than be like, it's broke.
Nah, you're right.
If it's before 12:30.
Yeah, facts.
If it's in session, it's like, yeah, we can't really be too picky and choosy.
Mm-hmm.
We done waited this long. Now it's like, oh yeah, don't do it.
Yeah.
Motherfucking entry where I stop loss would have been on that 4 hour. 23s.
Yeah, 23s.
$5 minutes. Can it hold? Will it do like its other compadres?
Let's see. Yeah, 5 minutes good. It's got that super close over that SMA now, so the SMA close over should travel up the time frames. Yeah, this that motherfucker I was looking for.
Yeah, this huge. See that candle? You take everything off your charts. If it goes like this, that's that one I'm looking for. That shit always show its face. Always. On both ends, though, you see it even with the short. Like, yeah, I went really short to that big bearish engulfing candle came through.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Then that shit trailed all the way. That's why that's what you lay on, bro. Niggas just selling the phone. He's shooting motherfuckers. That shit, bro.
5 minutes, let's see, man.
Yeah, 5 minutes, let's see. These niggas here, boy.
5 minutes just retested the SMA.
Got the super scalpers in the building. Super scalpers.
Super scalpers, bro.
Like, what the fuck, dude?
Trying to see my teeth in the sun.
Gots to hold everything. Gots to hold a strong candle and key right at its previous day highs.
Couple more minutes, we shall know.
You got that trigger ready?
Yep.
Two minutes.
Yeah, right around here would be great. 13, have us under 10. Would love that.
Yeah, I love that. All right, guys, it's 12:15. Finally getting a bullish engulfing candle on our 15-minute time frame. Price closing back over 20. Have 1 more minute for this candle to close. If it holds up, be putting on our trade for the day here.
Minute and a half, bro. Just stay under 23.
Stay under 23. Stay over 20, boys.
For real.
Hold the spread.
Patience. This is where the patience kicks in. It's fucking a minute.
Yep.
A minute to your injury.
Minute to your injury, heart beating, palms sweating.
I'm sweating.
I'm flexing that patience muscle hard.
Yeah. The more you feed it, more it grows.
Mm-hmm. Shit is strong right now.
Yeah,
Got me ducking losses left and right. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, 1 minute, man. Hold the fuck up.
Hold the line, troops. 1 minute. About to fire. About to deploy some capital.
Deploy some capital, boys. Had a big day yesterday. Put 500 risks on today. Still getting a profit for the week. Beautiful. Oh my God, come on. Don't do it. Come on.
Yeah. Need this shit over.
There we go.
Need this shit over 21.
There we go. 30 seconds.
Longest 30 seconds of my life.
Come on, baby. Come on. We're holding, not folding. 10 seconds, man.
Trigger ready?
You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Close.
1.
We're in.
Candle closed at 21.75. Let's go.
Order filled.
What's 21 minus 13? What can I think? 909. 2175. 909.75.
909. Yeah, 909. It's going to be your stop.
All right, that's it.
EP is going to be today's high, 56. And that's it. That's our 12 right there. Good work, boys. What's your entry?
2175.
Patience pays, boys. Good work.
How much we'll make at the high? 1200 on the dot. All right.
Trade taken. 59.20 is the location. Entry. 59.21.75. Stop loss 59.09. Break even. It's gonna be at 59.34.
34.75.
And TP is gonna be today's high.
52.
All right, yeah, 52.50. 59, 52.50. Risk is what? 510 or 500?
Risk is actually 480 right now. Yeah, 500. 500, 909.25.
All right, bet. All right, that's the work day, boys. Hold them, don't fold them.
Hold them, don't
Get an
fold
alert.
them.
Alert at break even. We'll be break even before we retest today's high. Yesterday's high, excuse me. And that's it, man. Good work.
Yeah, good work. Good work, gang.
Praise God, another smooth day.
Yeah, praise God, man. Twin Peaks trading, another smooth day. Patience, 2 hours of patience.
2 hours of waiting and watching. I got into this other combine early. This motherfucker. I'm up 200 already.
I didn't know you was running 2 right now.
I'm running 1.
Oh, you running 1?
I'm running, I'm running 2.
Yeah.
I got mine early, then I'm running now.
Oh,
This one
okay.
that's going to be on my phone.
That.
Yeah. Tracking position on the one.
Yeah, I know them.
Yeah, this position right here is correlated directly to the live trade.
Perfect.
All right, man, that's me for the day. I lose this one. Still green for the week. Back tomorrow. Does that too. Yep, gotta be with it, man.
Yeah,
Gotta be with it. Love you all.
Love you all.
And stops under the current 4-hour low as well. So we're under the air.
All right, good.
59.12 low. Yeah.
Perfect.
All right, man. Beautiful. That's me for the day. Let the good partner market play this out, man.
Yes, sir. About to go ahead and sign out the live, guys. We just executed a trade. We'll be posting the results later today. I will just sit on here and let it play, but you guys are live on my phone. I need my phone. No, just kidding. All right, yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Same time tomorrow, 10 o'clock, going to about 12:30. Had a video posted by market close, so you guys can see the results. Also see the full session live. Like and subscribe to the videos, man. Appreciate you guys. Join the Discord. It's free, so you can come talk to us, put your 2 cents in, get some advice, and just work together. Got a good group going. So yeah, it's gonna be it, man. Shout out you guys.
Yes, sir. Shout out to you too, man. Good work, boys.